Now, we would like to introduce the first Queen candidate, Tabitha Lonstein. Tabitha is accompanied by King candidate number 1, Ian Bailey. Please welcome Queen candidate number 2, Laura Combs. Laura is accompanied by King candidate number 2, Quentin Brown. Please welcome Queen candidate number 3, Olivia Durant. Accompanying Olivia is King candidate number 3, Galen Anderson. Our fourth Queen candidate is Adriana Ortiz. Adriana is being escorted by King candidate number 4, Joshua Pack. Now, please welcome our final Queen candidate, Alyssa Solms. Alyssa is escorted by King candidate number 6, Aaron Malone. These are your 2010 Winter Homecoming candidates. Please give them another round of